Flores, and we're gonna play the first game ever from Tatay Games, Run Red Run. Okay, this is the free version. May you download on Google Play, and the pro version was on Google Play too. So let's gonna play. Here we go. Let's start this game. New high score. How to do this? Touch the roof by tapping. Uh-oh. Warning stupid. Ano to? Oh. Ito ay just ano? Oops. Ayan na. 3 hours. Ayan na. That's an apple. Oop. Ayan, nakapasa na tayo. Oh, another one. Okay, that's a cactus. Okay. Never going to the bats and you're gonna be freaking game over. Ito na. Ouch. Let's play it again. Ang hirap tong game na to ah. Alright, okay. And 3, 2, 1. Oops. Another one. Oops. Another one. Here we go. And a freaking another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Oh, here we come. Whoops. Ano to? New high score. Another one. Whoops. 3, 4, 1. Oh. Oops. I didn't jump to this. Di ako tumalon dyan, no? Yeah, another one. Ouch. Okay. There we go. I want another one. Yes. Ayan na. Up. Oh my God. We're going back again. Here we go. Yeah. Another one. Whoop. Here go. Alright. Here go. Another one. Alright. Lagpas natin. Hop. Alright, here it comes. Okay. Yes. None. Okay, don't touch the bat. On your high score. Perfect. Hop. Super high speed. No. Wait. Let's hop. Hop. Don't touch the bat. Okay, here we come. Oh, no. Bilis niya mo! Alright, kabilis niya. Hindi mo talaga maano tong laro na to, guys. So, ang Run Red Run is very freaking game than Floppy Amian. Iligtas si Lira. I don't know. We're gonna play it again. Okay, that's for it, guys. And we hope you see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel and like my other videos and comment down below what do you think of it. And see you!